3 plus root 2. So we have 1 upon 3 plus root 2. So now what we will do? We will multiply the numerator by 3 minus root 2. And we will multiply the denominator by the same number, 3 minus root 2. As here we have 3 plus root 2. So now the rationalizing factor will become 3 minus root 2. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator of this number by 3 minus root 2. So we get the numerator will be 3 minus root 2. Now, as we know the identity a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So here a plus b, a minus b. So the denominator will become 3 square minus root 2 square. So now we will get 3 minus root 2 upon 9 minus 2. So this is equal to 3 minus root 2 upon 7. So this is our answer. Question number 2. Rationalize the denominator of 3 upon root 5. So now we have 3 upon root 5. So now we will write 3 upon root 5 multiplied by root 5 upon root 5, which is equal to 3 root 5 upon root 5 multiplied by root 5 is 5. So this is our answer. Question number 3. Rationalize the denominator of 2 upon root 3 minus root 5. So we have 2 upon root 3 minus root 5. As the denominator is root 3 minus root 5, so the rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus root 5. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator of this number by root 3 plus root 5. So we get 2 root 3 plus root 5 upon, now we will use this identity, a minus b, a plus b. A minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this will become root 3 square minus root 5 square. So we have 2 root 3 plus root 5 upon 3 minus 5, which is equal to 2 root 3 plus root 5 upon 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So it will be cancelled and this minus sign will shift in the numerator. So it will become minus root 3 plus root 5. So this is our answer. Question number 4. Rationalize the denominator of root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. So we have root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. Since the denominator is root 3 minus root 2, so the rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus root 2. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator of this number by root 3 plus root 2. So root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2 multiplied by root 3 plus root 2. Now we know this identity. A plus b into a plus b is equal to a plus b whole square. And a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will use this identity in the numerator. So it will become root 3 plus root 2 whole square. And in the denominator we will use this identity, a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So this will be equal to root 3 square minus root 2 square. So now we will apply identity in the numerator. So it will become a square, it means root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 square. And in the denominator we will get 3 minus 2. So now in the numerator we will get 3 plus 2, root 3 into root 2 is root 6 plus 2 upon 3 minus 2 is 1. So now 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus 2 root 6. So this is our answer. Now questions for practice. Rationalize the denominator of each of the following. A. 1 upon root 7. B. Root 5 upon 5 root 3. C. 4 upon root 3 plus root 7. D. 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. So you can solve these questions in your notebook and write the answer in the comment section. Or you can also check your answer in the description box. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching.